Hey guys, so this channel that you're watching me from was monetized in July, and I have been so happy and grateful that I started this channel. That is why I'm going to talk to you about starting your own YouTube channel. If you have still been struggling to get online jobs like the remote ones that I've been sharing, have you thought about starting a YouTube channel? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. If you need any guidance on how to start, how to start your YouTube journey, also leave a comment in the comment section so that I can make a video or videos on how to start a YouTube channel and grow it. There's one thing starting a YouTube channel, there's another thing growing it. A lot of people start and the channel just dies and nothing is happening, while a lot of people start and they grow the channel and start making money from it. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you'd like a video on how to create a YouTube channel that would actually bring in subscribers, customize your YouTube channel and all, let me know your thoughts in the comment section so that I can make a video on that here. So YouTube channel is one of the best thing you can do for yourself, and it is the easiest way to start earning in dollars, to be honest. The good part of it is that you get to run your channel from anywhere in the world. There is no restriction whatsoever regarding your location. So you can be anywhere and run your YouTube channel. There is no age restriction. So even if you're 50 years and you think, oh, I've retired from active service, you can start a YouTube channel and start earning real money, guys. You're going to earn money from a lot of things, from affiliate marketing, from brand partnerships, from selling your own products, and so many things. So I need to see your comments to actually know that you want this video. Then I'm gonna show you a little bit later in other videos my earnings so far and things that you can do with your YouTube channel, guys. So it's the best thing you can do for yourself, starting a YouTube channel before this year runs out. If you take it seriously, you're going to monetize your channel before January 2025. Yes, if you take it seriously. I'm going to show you how I was able to revive my channel. My channel was like literally dead. It was dead, but I revived it. Okay, in less than 1 month, I grew from 8,600 subscribers to almost 5,000. I know I put in a lot of hard work, but I also know the things I did to get to this level. I'm gonna show you guys step-by-step guide on how I did this, how I was able to achieve this. It wasn't easy, but I did it. So I'm gonna walk you through, hold your hands to show you how I did this, how I was able to achieve my goal. This has been my goal for a long time, but I keep putting it down. But now I'm out. I'm also going to show you, teach you how I'm able to manage my job. Of course, I have a job where I live. I have a job that I do Monday to Friday, and other side hustles I do, but yet I still do run this channel. And I also have other channels as well that I run, automated YouTube channels that I run on the side. So guys, you can achieve this. You can do this. So this video is just like a kind of encouragement. I'm encouraging you guys to start your YouTube channel. Age is not a restriction. It doesn't matter your age, from 50 years to 100 years. It doesn't matter. Pick up your phone and record something. The best part again is that you don't even need expensive equipment to start this YouTube channel. All you need is your smartphone. A lot of you guys have amazing smartphones that take good pictures, that take good quality videos. Why not utilize it into starting your own YouTube journey today? Some of you are on TikTok. Are you making money off TikTok, or you're just there scrolling other people's videos without utilizing it? Some of you are on Facebook. Are you scrolling and watching other people's funny videos without making your own money? You're on YouTube watching me. You're scrolling on people's shorts without making money. Guys, sit up. This is a push. Before this year runs out, you need to start your YouTube journey. I want us to grow together. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to start a YouTube channel and how to, start running your YouTube channel and start gaining subscribers so that you can monetize in less than before this year runs out. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to like this particular video. You guys need to support me, because when you support me, others will support you. Support my channel by subscribing, liking the videos, and leaving a comment in the comment section. This is how it works. Support others so that others can support you. Okay? So guys, I want to know your thoughts. If you're going to do this, if you're going to actually pick up your phone and start recording something. So I know you're waiting for me to make a video. The video is coming. I'm going to upload a video soon, okay, on other side hustles that I found. However, this one has been on my mind to talk to you guys about: starting a YouTube channel. As long as you own a phone, you're good to go. Even all my videos, I've never used a fancy camera. This one you're watching me from is from my phone. I recorded it on my phone. So you don't really need all those things that they talk about. You can use a small ring light if you don't have. You can use your sunlight, which is the best option for you. Sunlight. Record your videos during the day. Okay? So stay at home mom, stay at home dad, students, retirees, and all of you guys. Start your YouTube journey today, and you will thank me later. I'm pushing you guys to start a YouTube journey today. So let me know your thoughts if you're starting. Let me also know the niche that you're deciding to choose, because choosing a good niche is very important. Your niche would determine if you're going to grow your channel at all. Okay, make sure you choose a good niche, a niche that will bring subscribers and also bring partnerships, and so that you can make money from your channel. So that's it, guys. It's been on my mind and I have said it, so I'm good now. Thank you guys for listening to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know the type of content you're going to be creating. Let me know if you're actually going to pick up your phone and record something. And I will see you in the next video.